The dynamic downward dog is a great exercise to work on calf and hamstring flexibility. And so this exercise, you're basically pushing up the glutes towards the ceiling, pushing the heels back down towards the floor and pushing the knees back. So you're extending the knee. So also great for knee extension. A couple of points with this one in terms of the technique. We want to make sure that we're really straightening the leg and feeling a nice quad squeeze. So we're actually really extending the knee on both sides. We're also pushing the heels into the ground. So that creates a nice calf stretch when you do this. So really focusing on pushing those heels back and also getting the head through the arms. If you get the head through the arms, it creates more stretch in the hamstrings and calves because it's going to lift the hips up in the air. All these same points can also be thought about doing with a single leg. So you can do single leg from side to side. What this is nice for as well is so that you can feel the difference between one side and the other, which often when you've had an operation or you've got an ACL injury or anything like that, you're going to find that you are going to feel significantly tighter on one side, and you can ease into it when you do this. It's a really great exercise to increase flexibility in the back of the leg and also increase knee extension. For more exercises like this, check out the video on the screen now.